Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Salma Bilal, and today I want to share with you a biggest lesson for a successful life. Don't talk too much about yourself to all your friends. Don't tell your secrets to anyone. Don't tell your mistakes or sins to others. Don't trust others too much, because that too much can hurt you so much. There will be a time when that person will use your secrets against you. Because when you fight or argue with each other, he will reveal all your secrets to others to make you look bad in the eyes of people. Because not everyone around you is your true friend. Some of them are two-faced, some of them are hypocrites. It is better to keep your secrets to yourself or with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because indeed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the only secret keeper. So don't trust anyone in this world except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.